Okay, now we'll write sum to infinity. Sum to infinity. Okay, before that sum to infinity we will write infinite GP. We will write infinite GP. Infinite GP. Okay, a GP which contains infinite terms. A GP which contains infinite terms is called infinite GP. Is called infinite GP. Okay. Next, sum to infinity. Sum to infinity. In bracket the symbol is this infinity. Sum to infinity of an infinite GP. Of an infinite GP. Okay. Sum to infinity in bracket the infinity symbol of an infinite GP. Okay. The solution will be what here? We have for r, that is mod I write mod. Why means r should be positive. We have for mod r less than 1, Sn formula what? Sn equal to last class we have done na? A into bracket 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. This was the formula for r less than 1. Okay. Instead here r and n between two parallel lines. That is mod. Okay. So now we'll write it. If r is less than 1, as n goes on increasing, as n goes on increasing, comma, r raised to n goes on increasing, goes on decreasing, as n goes on increasing, r raised to n goes on decreasing. Therefore, as n tends to infinity, because n is increasing here, as n tends to infinity, comma, r raised to n decreasing means r tends to 0. This symbol is tends to. Okay, tends to. This symbol. Okay. As n goes on increasing, r raised to n goes on decreasing. Therefore, as n tends to infinity, comma, r raised to n tends to 0. Therefore, S infinity is what? S infinity will be, in this you are going to put A bracket 1 minus r raised to n is what? 0 na? Divided by 1 minus r. It will be A upon 1 minus r. Got it? It will be A upon 1 minus r. Okay. Same second case now. If r is greater than 1. If r is greater than 1. As n increases, if r is greater than 1, as n goes on increasing, comma r raised to n goes on increasing. R raised to n goes on increasing. Goes on increasing. Therefore, as n tends to infinity, r raised to n tends to infinity, because that is also increasing, na? As n tends to infinity, r raised to n tends to infinity. All are infinity means therefore Sn will become what? That is Sn is S infinity. A 1 minus r raised to n is nothing but 1 minus infinity divided by 1 minus r. Okay, is nothing but it is infinity only, not total, because it is increasing, we don't know. So answer is yes, infinity is infinity for the case r greater than 1. Okay. Okay, now we will do the problem. Now we will do the problem. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Okay, now I have it. Find the value of k. Question number 1. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k so that the numbers k minus 2 comma k plus 1 are in GP. Find the value of k so that the numbers k minus 2 comma k plus 1, k minus 2 comma k plus 1 are in GP. Okay, so the answer will be what? Since k minus 2 comma k plus 1 are in GP, it is given, na? Are in GP. Okay, then what it will be? Ratio, na? K upon k minus 2 is equal to k plus 1 upon k. Now we cross multiply k into k it will be, and here k plus 1 into k minus 2. So k into k is k square, k into k square, k into minus 2k, 1 into k plus k, 1 into minus 2. This, okay, what I will do, I will write it in one form. K square, I will get all this one this side. Minus k square, minus will come here, it will become plus 2k, and this will come here, it will become minus, and this will become plus, is equal to 0. K square cancels. 2k minus k is plus k, then k plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is what? Minus 2. What is the answer? Got it? So he has given here what? He is asking find the value of k so that the numbers k minus 2 comma k plus 1 are in GP. So answer is what? Since k minus 2, k plus 1, k plus 1 are in GP, then ratio na common ratio k upon k minus 2 is equal to k plus 1 upon k of them. Cross multiplied k square and k plus 1 into k minus 2, that is. Here we are multiplying k into k square, k into minus 2 is minus 2k, 1 into k is plus k, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Then this all I have taken this side and equated to 0, k square. This will come this side, it will become minus. Minus will come this side, it will become plus 2k. Plus k will come this side, it will become minus k. Minus 2 will come here, this will become plus 2. Okay, is equal to 0. Cancels 2k minus k is k. K plus 2 is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is how we have got the value of k. Now we will do the second problem. Question second is what? I will write it here. Find the fourth element. Find the fourth element. Find the fourth element of GP. We want fourth element of GP. 1 comma 1 upon 2 comma 1 upon 4 comma dot dot. Okay. He wants, question is, find the fourth element of a GP. What is that GP? 1 comma 1 upon 2 comma 1 upon 4. Okay. Now we will find it. Answer. What are given here? A is equal to 1 first term. R is what? 1 upon 2 divided by 1 is equal to 1 upon 4 divided by 1 by 2. That will become what? This will down, it will get down, and 2 ones are 2 2s are. So R is same, it is constant ratio. That's why it is called as common ratio. Okay. Now we want fourth element. Fourth element means what? T4. Fourth element. T4 question mark, that is n is equal to 4. Then what is the Tn formula? A into R raised to n minus 1. Tn into A raised to A into R raised to n minus 1. That is what it will be? T4. What is A? A is 1. What is R? Half. Okay. R is half, huh? Raised to 4 minus 1. Then what happens? T4 is equal to 1 in 1 as it is. It will be half raised to 4 minus 1 is 3. That is 1 cube divided by 2 cube. That is 1 cube is what? 2 cube is 8. So fourth element T4 is 1 upon 8. Got it? I hope you have understood the question. Find the fourth element of an GP. 1 comma 1 upon 2 comma 1 upon 4. Answer is what? First element A is 1. R is common ratio, we have found out. Half divided by 1 is equal to 1 upon 4 divided by half. Again we are getting 1 upon 2 only. Then T4 is asked, question mark, n is equal to 4. Then Tn formula, A is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Substitute the values, we will get the answer. Okay. So now next problem we will do. Okay, I will rub the board. I hope you have understood both the problems. Third question. Okay. Third question says, if the second term of GP is 6, if if the second term of GP is 6, if the second term of GP is 6 and fifth term is 162, then find GP. Okay, I'll repeat the question. See, if the second term of GP is 6 and the fifth term is 162, then find GP. Okay, answer. What is given? Second term is T2 is 6 and fifth term 162. Okay, then you want GP. So what is Tn formula here? Tn is A r raised to n minus 1. I'll make this as equation 1. Tn is A into r raised to n minus 1. Okay, so from 1 I will say T2. Wherever n is there, I am putting T2. A I don't know. R also I don't know. N is what here? 2 minus 1. Okay, so that is, what is T2? 6. 6 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, na? It will be AR. I'll name this as equation number 2. 6 is equal to AR. Then again I'll say from 1. What is that? T5. Wherever n is there, put 5. A I don't know. R is what? N minus 1. 5 minus 1. That is, what is T5? 162 is equal to A r raised to 5 minus 1 is 4, na? This is equation number 3. Okay. In arithmetic progression, we used to subtract it. Here we are going to divide it. This is big. Equation 3 is big. 162 is big, na? Divided by equation 3. Divide will do division. Divide equation 3 by equation 2. Okay, that is 162 is equal to A r raised to 4. 162 is divided by 6 here and A r. What happens here? A cancels. Then what is the 162 divided by 6? How much will go? 6 1s are 6 2s are, na? 6 2s are 12. 12 means 4 is carry forward. 42. 6 7s are. So it will be 27 is equal to, here r raised to 4 is there, r is there. I will write it this way. R cube into r I will write. So this r cancels. So what I will get here? Therefore r cube is equal to 27. R cube, how to find out r value? 27 is nothing but 3 cube, na? 27 is nothing but 3 cubes here. 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27. So this 3 top will go. Therefore r is what? 3. R is 3. Now question asked is what? He wants GP. Therefore the numbers in GP are what is A, AR, AR square, AR cube, dot. Okay, that is, we put the value. A is what? Where is A? We don't know A, not still I have to find out. I found out R. Okay, here I can find from 2. I will say from 2. What is that? 6 is equal to A into R is what? 3. So 3A is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. So that is 2 comma 2 into 3 comma 2 into 3 square comma 2 into 3 cube dot. That is 2 comma 2 3 is 6 comma 2 into 3 square is what? 9. Here 9 is 27 dot. Therefore 2 comma 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 54, comma dot are in GP. Are in GP. Got it? Question asked for second term is given T2 is 6, T5 fifth term 162. We know Tn. With the help of Tn, we have found out 2 and 3 equation. Dividing 3 by 2, we are getting R value. That R value either put it in 2 or 3. I have put it in 2. I got A as 2. Then the numbers in GP are A, comma AR, comma AR square, comma AR cube, dot. It will go on. Got it? So there I have put the values and I have written the answer. Okay, we'll see the next problem if anything is there. Okay, now we will find out sum. Next question will be fourth question. Okay. Next question. Find the sum of 6 terms. Find the sum. Find the sum of 6 terms. Find the sum of 6 terms of the GP. Of the GP 1, 3, 9, dot. Okay, he wants find the sum of 6 terms. Okay, answer. What are the given things here? Given is what? 1, 3, 9, dot are in GP. Okay, and he wants S6. Is a question mark, means N is 6. Here A is what? 1. And what will be R? 3 minus 1, not 3 minus 1, it will be division, na? 3 divided by 1, 9 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3 3s are. So we are getting 3. So R value is 3. So I am going to write SN formula. How to write SN formula? Since R is greater than 1, that is 3 is greater than 1, na? Therefore SN formula is what? Can anybody tell me? Sn formula is A r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So S6, A is what? A is 1. 1. Then r, what is r? 3. 3 raised to 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Yes or no? R is 3, huh? So what we are getting? S6 is equal to 3 raised to 6 is how much? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243, 243 3s are I think 729, 243 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 12, yeah 729. So 729 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 728 divided by 2. Can it go? 236 are 2 4s. 236 are 72, na? 2 4s are 8. So answer is 364. Answer is 364. Okay, this was the first question. Next question I will write it here. Question number 5. What it says? The third term of a GP is 12. The third term of GP is 12 and the sixth term is 96. Find the sum of 9 terms. Find the sum of 9 terms. Okay. So now how will you do? What is the question asked? The third term of a GP is 12 and the sixth term is 96. Find the sum of 9 terms. Okay. Answer is what? Third term is T3. T3 is 12, comma T6 is 96 and S9 is question mark n is equal to 9. Sum to 9 terms, huh? N is equal to 9. This is the question. Okay. So now Tn formula is what? A r raised to n minus 1. I write this equation 1. From 1, what is Tn? I write T6. I'll take this one first. Sorry, I'll take T3. T3 is what? A r raised to 3 minus 1. What is T3? 12. 12 is equal to A r square. That is equation number 2. Then again I will say here from 1. T6. A r raised to 6 minus 1. T6 is what? 96. A r raised to 5. This is equation number 3. Again the same procedure. Will divide equation 3 by 2. Divide equation 3 by equation 2. Okay, that is what? 96 divided by 12 here, this side is equal to AR square divided by AR raised to 5. So here A cancels. Now 12 96 side goes. I think 12 8s are 8 2s are, yeah, 12 8s are 12 8 side goes here. So what happens? 8 is equal to 1 minute, I have written here ulta 96 AR raised to 5 divided by AR square. This goes. So I am left with what? AR raised to 5 divided by R square. square divided by r square is equal to 8. See here, r raised to 5 can be written as r cube into r square. 3 plus 2 is 5, na? Theory of indices, base is common. So here r square goes, r cube is equal to 8. That is, r cube is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. Therefore, r is 2. 2 cube is 8, na? Therefore, r is 2. Okay. So now what is the question asked? Find the sum of 9 terms. So now r is equal to 2 means r is greater than 1. Since r is greater than 1, that is 2 is greater than 1. Sn formula will be what? A r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay. Space is not there. I will write it this side. Okay. R is greater than 1, that is 2 is greater than 1, Sn is A into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is asked? Yes, 9 is asked. Okay, I will write it here. Yes, 9. Yes, 9 is equal to, what is A? I think we have not found out A. We have found out r is equal to 2. So we will put it in either equation 2, we will get A. Okay, before that we will find out A. I will say from 2. From 2 it is 12 is equal to A into R is what? R is 2, na? 2 square. That is 12 is equal to 4A. Therefore A is what? 12 upon 4. 4 1 is a 4 3 is a. Now we will find out S9. S9. What is A? A is 3. Bracket R raised to n. That is 2 raised to 9 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So 2 raised to 9 is how much? 9 times you multiply. 2 into 2, 4. 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. 16 to the 32. 32 to the 64. 64 into 2 is 128. 128 into 2 is 256. 256 into 2 is how much? 256 into 2, 1032. 256 into 2. 2 5 are 10. Sorry, 512. 512. Okay. 512 minus 1 upon 1. That is 3 into 511. 512 minus 1 is 511. 33 and 15. 1533 is the answer. Got it? This is how you have found it. Okay, now again we will do similar kind of problem what we have done, arithmetic progression. 3 numbers are in GP they will give. Okay, now fine. I will rub it complete. I will rub the complete board and then we will start. Next, I think question number 5, whatever it is, check it. So 3 numbers are in GP. 3 numbers are in GP. Okay, whose sum whose sum is 26 and product is 216. Find the numbers. Okay, same like arithmetic progression. What we'll do? What is asked? Three numbers are in GP whose sum is 26 and the product is 216. So we'll say first here. See in GP it was what was the first number? AR square, that way it was. Again we'll take one backward number, that is A upon R. We'll say that A upon R, how we have done in arithmetic progression, A minus D, A plus D. That way here A upon R, comma AR, be three numbers in GP. Okay, what is given here? Sum and product. Sum is equal to 26 and product is equal to 216. Okay, that is, what is sum? A upon R plus AR is equal to 26 and product is what? A upon R multiplied by AR is equal to 216. Here what happens? This R will get cancelled. A into A is what? A cube is equal to 216. 216, how it will come? 6 cube. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6 is 216. Now 3 cube will go. A is equal to 6. Therefore A is equal to 6. This A value I will put it in this and get R value. Before that I will take LCM here. R is the LCM. Here R will get multiplied. AR. Here also R will get multiplied. AR square is equal to 26. Again this R will get multiplied here. A plus AR square is equal to 26R. Okay. So now what I will do, I will put wherever A is there, I will put the value 6. 6 plus 6R plus 6R square is equal to 26R. So I will write it properly. 6R square plus 6R minus 26R plus 6 is equal to 0. So 6R square plus, okay, minus it will come. Minus 26, 6 goes next, minus 20. 20R plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. This R value I will find it here. It is a little bit big. What I got here? 6R square minus 20R plus 6. Again I will write the same here. 6R square minus 20R plus 6 is equal to 0. What I will do? I will take out 2 common here. 2 3s are, 2 10s are, 2 3s are. So 2 will go to 0. 3R square minus 10R plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So now again here product is what? 3 into 3, 9R square. Here in between minus 10R is there. This is the quadratic equation. So what I will do? Minus R minus R. Minus 9R minus R will get me minus 10R. Same way if you multiply minus 9R into minus R, I will get plus 3 into 3, that is 9R square. Okay. I will take here 3R common. Here 3R into R is 3R square. 3R into minus 3 is minus 9R square. Minus 9R. I will take here 1 common. Here minus 1 into R is minus R. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. So that way I have got R minus 3. 3 minus R. So R minus 3 is equal to 0, or 3 minus R minus 1 is equal to 0. R is equal to 3, or 3R is equal to 1. Therefore R is 1 by 3. Okay, the question asked is what? Find the numbers. Find. Therefore, find the 3 numbers here. Therefore, three numbers in what GP are A upon R, comma A, comma AR. That is, now what we'll do one by one. When A is equal to 6 and R is equal to 3, we'll find one set. When A is equal to 6 and R is equal to 1 by 3, we'll set another set. So A is what? 6 upon 3, 6 into 3. So that is 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 comma 6 comma 18. Okay, again that is when R is, this is 1 by 3, again 6 upon 1 by 3 comma 6 into 1 by 3, that is 3 ones are 3 2. This 3 will come up. Therefore 18 comma 6 comma 2 are in GP, are in. Okay, same way what we have done in arithmetic progression, same type of question. Here it is in geometric progression, that's the difference. Okay. Same way one more problem is there. Three numbers are in GP whose sum is now is given 14. And say question number 6. Three numbers are in GP whose sum is 14 and product is 64. Product is 64. Okay, I have changed the problem here. Three numbers are in GP whose sum is 14 and product is 64. Again same way it is. Let A upon R, comma A, comma AR be three numbers in GP. Sum, what is sum given here? 14. Right, 14. And product is what? 64. 64. That is, sum is what? A upon R plus A plus AR is equal to 14. Then A product A upon R into A into AR, R cancels, is equal to 64 it is. So what I can say, A cube is equal to 64. So it will be what? 4 cube. 4 into 4, 16, 16 fours are. Okay. Therefore R will be, sorry, A will be 4. Here A will be 4. Now that A value I will put it here. It is same again, LCM is R, I have multiplied. Okay. So I put here 14R. Then what it is? I am putting R value, A value. I will put A value. What is A here? 4. 4 plus 4R plus 4R square is equal to 14R. That is 4R square plus 4R minus 14R plus 4 is equal to 0. That is 4R square. From 4 minus 14 goes means minus 10R plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, same way I will find the answer. Same equation I will write. 4R square minus 10R plus 4 is equal to 0. Again I will take out 2 common. 2 into 2, 2 5s are 2s. So that 2 will go to 0. We are left with therefore 2R square minus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. See here again, product 2R square into 2 is 4R square. In between minus 5R is there. So what I will do? 2R square, what I will take? Minus 4R minus R. See, minus 4R minus R will get me minus 5R, and at the same time if I multiply minus 4R into minus R I will get 4R square. It is matching, na? So 2R I will take common. See here, 2R into R is 2R square, 2R into minus 2 is minus 4R. In between this I will take minus 1 common. Minus 1 into r is minus r, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So I am getting r minus 2, then what 2r minus 1 is equal to 0. R minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2r minus 1 is equal to 0. R is equal to 2, or 2r is equal to 1. Therefore, r is 1 by 2. Okay? When a is equal to 4 and r is equal to 2, therefore 3 numbers in GP are a upon r comma a comma ar. Okay, that is a not 4 upon 2 comma 4 into 2. What happens? 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 comma 4 comma 8 are in GP. Okay. Now same way I will say when a is equal to 4 and r is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 3 numbers in GP are a upon r comma a comma ar. Okay, that is a is what 4, r is what 1 upon 2 comma 4 into 1 upon 2. It will become what this here, denominator 2 will jump up, it will become 4 into 2 comma 4 comma this what 2 ones are 2 twos are, it will be 2. Okay, so what will happen here? 4 into 2 8 comma 4 comma 2. Okay, are in GP. Got it? We can go through it. Okay. Next class we will do sum to infinity, sum to problems we will do. Okay, I have given that formulas now. After that again geometric mean is there. How arithmetic mean was there, geometric mean we will do. So the after geometric mean is over, now last is harmonic progression, HP. That is nothing but is reciprocal of arithmetic progression. That we will do, then progression will be over. Okay. First we have done partial fractions, then progressions. In progressions, almost I have completed second part. That is AP is over, GP will be over, then HP remains. Okay, after that you have quadratic equations. Okay, I hope you are understanding it. If any feedback is there, you can please give it to me. If you are not understanding, you can ask me afterwards. I think sir is going to form a group. In that group you can ask me your difficulties. Okay, so I think we will end the class today.